Hi. Lexzur offers a rating system to evaluate the quality of legal services provided by your legal department. Client Portal users can submit reviews and rate legal services for any matter, case, or contract request directly from the Client Portal. How to submit a review on a request. From the Client Portal, open the request you want to review. For example, navigate to the Matters page and click on the specific request ID. On the right side of the page, you'll find a feedback section where you can rate the service by clicking on the stars. You can rate requests on a scale of 1 to 5 stars and add additional comments in the text box. Once done, submit your review. Each Client Portal user can submit one review per request. Upon submission, both the Client Portal user and the legal team will receive an email notification. The legal team can view the feedback from the core application on the requests page. If you wish to modify your review, you can do so within 24 hours of submission. Simply edit your text, click on the block icon to remove the current rating stars, and then provide a new rating. Afterward, update your review. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.